to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and if this is your first time visiting, thank you so much for visiting. And if it's not your first time, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to do a video on how to set up in silhouette and print from your Epson SC f570. Okay, I just got this the other day. I did one printing before, and it was just one image. This time I'm going to do a whole lot of masks, 9 masks, y'all. Yes, we can sublimate 9 masks at a time. Okay, so I'm going to do that today. I'm not going to press anything. I'm just going to show you the settings, your print settings in silhouette to print from this baby right here. Okay, and I just want to warn you in advance. I just want to warn you that I wasn't going to do this video, but I just did it really quick, and my camera is turned the wrong way. Once the video starts, it will be turned the wrong way, so sorry about that. I just wanted to get it on camera so I can show y'all, because I was so excited that it worked. I was able to get all the images on one paper. This printer is a game changer, and I just wanted to get it on camera. I already have a video on how I added the ink and added the paper, so check that video out. I will put that link below. All right, let's get started. Okay, y'all, I'm going to show y'all how to do this. I'm going to, excuse my silhouette, it's full of mask templates. But today I'm going to be working on these masks right here. I hope this works. I mean, I know it will work, but I just got to get used to it. But I can print up all these masks at one time instead of printing on 3 as sheets, okay? So this is great. So let's see. These masks are 7.5 by 5.5, okay? So let's go ahead and see. Make sure I do it the correct way. Every time I go here, I have to do this, go to print page setup. This is how you do it if you're using the silhouette. And it's already, this is the printer I have. It's the Epson SC F500. So then I go here, because that's the paper I'm using, the 1724. So that's all set, that's all right. Okay, cool, I ain't gotta worry about that. But I'm going to do landscape, okay? Then I push okay. And then I'm going to go to File, Print. And I'm going to make sure everything's set up. See, this I gotta change this because it's not the right printer. So I'm gonna go here, go to my printer, right here. Then I'm gonna go to, let me see if I got anything I gotta do in here. Nope, current setup, nope. I know I gotta go to layout and do, let's check out the paper handling. Nope, everything looks good there. Go to print settings. Okay, this is what I need. So print settings is good. It's 17 by 24 paper. That's fine. That's right. It is a roll paper. See, that's how it looks right here. Everything else looks good. I'm gonna take the high speed off. Okay. Quality level. I'm just leave it quality. And everything else looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and print it. Everything else, let me show you how it looks. Okay, go ahead and print it. And let's pray that it works, y'all. It's 9 masks, y'all. This would be a lifesaver if I can print. I know I can, but I have to make sure I get everything right. The settings, everything together. But it's the printer. Yes, I have it connected UBS because they said USB. I got it connected with the USB because it's better, because you don't want your Wi-Fi to go out. It's all, and it's connected right, like just like that. Sorry, y'all, it's early. Talking in circles. It's just processing. This is my second print. First time I did a print, I have a video on that. This is my second print. This is my first time printing a lot of different images at once. Okay, so we're gonna see if this gonna work, and if it works, I'm gonna make some more masks today because it's taking too long. So I'm just gonna come back when this started to print. Look at that, y'all. It's printing, it works. So I got all the settings and stuff right. You don't have to mirror this because the machine is already a sublimation printer, so you don't gotta worry about mirroring it. This is my second print, but this is my first time printing a whole lot of different images, okay? And I did put landscape, so that's a good thing that I did do a landscape, so to save as much paper as I can. We'll see how it looks after it's finished. But yep, I did, I did orientation. It was landscape, right? So landscape. So but I did it that way. So I gotta write that down so I can remember, so I didn't forget. See, it's done. So now it's cutting it by itself. It's cutting it. And that's it. I can just pull it on out because it cut. Oh yes, I did really good, y'all. I didn't waste no paper. I did good for my first time. I thought I was gonna have a whole lot of people left over. I would have had a whole lot if I didn't do if I did portrait, it'd have been a mess. So I'm glad I thought about that. Okay, so it told me when it told me when to start printing everything. So now I'm taking the box away. So everything looks good. I'll have all those on there. So I'm gonna do some more masks. Thanks. Any questions? Let me know. These are just, you know, everybody in my state love, in my city, really love the Pittsburgh Steelers. I do a lot of those. And as I do is cut them out and put it on the mask. I already have a video on how to press mask, so I'll put that in the description below. I just wanted y'all to see how to print, how to set up your how to set up using Silhouette. Okay, how to print using Silhouette. So that's all I'm gonna do today. Off my Epson SC f570, y'all. I love it. Oh my god, I just love it. It's a game changer. Now I can do pillows, big size pillows instead of cutting. I can do pillows. I can do a lot of things, and instead of using that, because before I was using these pens up here, which I'm still going to use them. And the biggest paper is 11. The biggest paper is 13 by 19. Okay. And I could probably get like 4 masks on there, maybe 5. Look at this. I get 9 masks on here, y'all. And these are the small size masks, 7 by 3 by 5 by 3, something like that. So that's all I want to do. It's a short video today. That's all I want to do today, to show y'all how to set up how to print from Silhouette. And you can also print from Photoshop too. I'm still working on that because I can print out one image from Photoshop, but I never printed out all these images from Photoshop. It's just getting them layers and stuff together. So if I figure that out, I will bring it to you. But now I know I can do Photoshop. Now I know I can do Silhouette. I'm gonna just do Silhouette for right now until I learn Photoshop. I'm going to show y'all this too. Right here, over here, where's the width? Make sure your paper, it says 24 width, 17 height, and then this is, make sure you put it right on landscape, okay? So all you gotta do, make sure you got the right size paper in there, and you're going through the file, print setup, and do everything I told you to do on print setup. Run it back. Then you go file, print, and everything should be under print settings. Okay, make sure you look like this, and you'll be good. Okay, and like I said, I put it on, I took the high speed off. I'm gonna try the high speed one time and see if that works, how that works. But right now I just want to make sure, and maybe next time I'll do another the next one for my mask, I'll do high speed and see how that works. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video if it helped you, and please check out my Facebook group, Brown Girls Craft with Cricket. And also check out my Etsy page, Charming Girl Boutique #2. All the links are below. Until next time, be blessed.